Hello, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at an exam problem that uses logarithmic differentiation to find the derivative of the function. Now, if you were just given this function, it would be very difficult to just calculate the derivative. You'd need product rule and quotient rule, and it would just be very messy of a problem. But logarithmic differentiation allows us to simplify the process a lot. So let's go about doing that. So what do? We have this, which is our y, and we have it equaling here. To make things easier, what we're going to do is take the log of both sides. So we end up getting log of y is equal to log of the whole thing, 2 to the x times x cubed plus 2, all over square root of x minus 1. Well, luckily, we can use our rules of logarithms to simplify this. And this part is just natural log of 2 to the x plus natural log of x cubed plus 2 minus natural log of the square root of x minus 1. Right? Now, we can simplify this even further. Using our rules of logarithms, this is just x log of 2 plus natural log of x cubed plus 2, we'll keep that. And this is minus 1/2 natural log of x minus 1, right? Because the square root is the same as x to the half. All right, so we've done all that. Now we take our derivatives. Now this first part, remember, we used the chain rule. So the derivative of natural log of y is y, and what's the chain rule part? We have y prime on top. The derivative of y is y prime. All right. Now, here, we need to take this derivative with respect to x. Well, luckily, it's just a constant times x, so we get natural log of 2. Plus, well, we need to use the chain rule. So the first part, we just write this x cubed plus 2 over, what's the derivative of the inside? 3x squared. And then the last one, once again, chain rule, 1/2 over x minus 1. And what's the chain rule say? We put a 1 over there. Now are we done? No, not quite. We still need to find the derivative of y. So we just need this part alone. In other words, we do y prime, and we multiply by y. And we can rewrite the whole thing. But you ask yourself, I don't want a y in the final solution. So what do? Well, what is y? Well, look right back up here. This is what your y value is. So your final solution is just plugging that part back in. You have y prime would be equal to 2 to the x, x cubed plus 2, all divided by the square root of x minus 1 times the quantity of ln of 2 plus 3x squared over x cubed plus 2 minus 1 over 2 times x minus 1. And that would be your derivative of y. This would have been a whole lot harder if we had tried to use the quotient rule and the chain rule and the product rule. But what this allows us to do is simplify our calculations. And just knowing the rules of logarithms, we can make this seemingly complicated problem much simpler. If you have any questions, let me know.